and welcome, or as we say in Irish, Fáilte. I'm Dervla and I'll be here throughout the series, which is aimed at helping you to speak Irish. Accents and dialects differ slightly throughout the country. In this series we'll concentrate on Ulster Irish, but in later programmes we'll keep you in touch with what's used elsewhere. After today's programme, you should be able to introduce yourself and comment on such important topics as the weather. So now's your chance to start from scratch or to refresh what you once knew. The programmes themselves will help you cope with all kinds of different situations, and there's plenty of backup material. I'll tell you about that later on. Oh, and by the way, you're never too old to learn. We're starting off here at the marketplace. Well, first things first, how do we greet somebody? How are you? Kajimmer Tatu.
Kajimmer Tatu.
Kajimmer Tatu.
Kajimmer Tatu.
Kajimmer Tatu. Kajimmer Tatu.
Listen again.
Kajimmer Tatu.
Kajimmer Tatu.
Kajimmer Tatu.
Kajimmer Tatu. Kajimmer Tatu.
Kajimmer Tatu. How are you? Kajimmer Tatu.
Kajimmer Tashiv.
You probably noticed in the last instance the question was Kajimmer Tashiv. This is what you use when you greet more than one person. Let's watch a few more examples where more than one person is greeted. Listen carefully. Kajimmer Tashiv.
Kajimmer Tashiv.
Kajimmer Tashiv. Kajimmer Tashiv.
Kajimmer Tashiv. How are you? When speaking to more than one person. Kajimmer Tashiv.
So, it's Kajimmer Tatu when greeting one person and Kajimmer Tashiv, if you can get their attention, when greeting more than one. Let's watch those situations again, and this time try to figure out in advance whether it should be Kajimmer Tatu or Kajimmer Tashiv.
Kajimmer Tashiv. Kajimmer Tatu.
Kajimmer Tashiv.
Kajimmer Tatu.
Kajimmer Tatu. How are you? Kajimmer Tatu. Kajimmer Tashiv. How are you? When speaking to more than one person. Kajimmer Tashiv.
So, it's Kajimmer Tatu when greeting one person and Kajimmer Tashiv when greeting more than one person. And of course, if somebody asks you how you are, you need to have a reply. Generally, people are too polite to say how they really feel. They'll either say, Gomai, fine, or Gomai, Gurmaihigat, fine, thank you. Kajimmer Tatu.
Gomai. Kajimmer Tashiv.
Gomai.
Gomai. Fine. Gomai.
Ah. Kajimmer Tatu. Gomai. Gurmaihigat.
Kajimmer Tatu.
Gomai. Gurmaihigat.
Kajimmer Tashiv. Gomai. Gurmaihigat.
Kajimmer Tashiv.
Gomai. Gomai. Gurmaihigat.
Gomai Gurmaihigat. Fine, thank you. Gomai Gurmaihigat.
The word bally comes from the Irish word balla and is commonly found in place names all over this island. Balla means a place where people live, home or a town. And now you're talking, we have our own town, and Ballamore, Ballymore, where our hero and heroine Shan and Deirdre first meet.
Capricorn, lucky day Tuesday. Today the cavalry rides in. But be careful, it may take more than it leaves.
Jimmer Tatu.
Come on. Come on. Hello, Awami.
Oh, hello, Deirdre. Could you more tattoo? Deirdre.
Oh, come on, good. Okay, slán Awami. Slán.
Guramahigat, thank you. Or Gamai Guramahigat, fine, thank you. Let's look at it again.
Jimmer Tatu.
Come on. Come on. Hello, Awami.
Oh, hello, Deirdre. Could you more tattoo? Deirdre.
Oh, come on, good. Okay, slán Awami. Slán.
Let's go back now again to a situation we saw earlier and listen to the responses and to another useful new phrase, agus tú hain and yourself.
Jimmer Tatu.
Gamai, Guramahigat, agus tú hain?
Come on.
Jimmer Tatu. Come on, it's the hen. Come on.
Jimmy Tashiv.
Oh, come on, it's too him.
Come on. Take another look at them.
Go Jim mar tata.
Come on, good my good. Is to hen?
Come on.
Jimmer tata. Come on, agus tar hen. Come on.
Jim
Oh, come on, it's too him.
Agus tú hain. And yourself. Agus tú hain.
Throughout the series of Now You're Talking, we'll look at how the language and culture is woven into our lives. Let's begin with place names. The Irish imagination was never lacking, and many place names were inspired by parts of the human body. Belfast, which you see here behind me, is a good one to start with. Belfast is derived from Belferste. Bel meaning mouth, and Farsage, a tidal crossing. Belferste, the mouth of the tidal crossing. Other body parts were also borrowed and appear in many place names. Gula, shoulder. Cos, foot. Cion, head. Drim, back. And Toin, backside. No part of the body was sacred. Gulagu, black shoulder. Cosh on Dala, foot of the River Dal. Kilmara, head of the sea. Drumconrach, ridge of the path. Tonragui, backside to the wind. Belfast was active in early revivals of the Irish language and culture. And it was in this very building, then the Belfast Exchange Hall, that a unique and historical event took place. Some Belfast citizens organised the Harpers Gathering of 1792. It was an attempt to preserve the music, poetry and oral traditions of the country. The Harpers, 10 in number, including 97-year-old Dennis Hempson, gave of their best, and their music was transcribed by Edward Bunting. Some of the airs are very well known to us today, such as the Coolin. Unfortunately, Bunting's counterpart, who was supposed to record the words, never turned up. Subsequently, Thomas Moore wrote lyrics for many of the airs, and it's with those lyrics that the airs are identified today. Let's do a quick recap on what we've learned so far.
Go Jim tata.
Come on, agus to hen?
Ah, come on.
Anya, go Jimmer tata.
Marid, come on, good my good.
Kajimmer Tatu. Another thing we tend to do when we meet somebody is comment on the weather. If it's a fine day, we say Tala Breon. Another unfortunately popular one is Ta Drochla on. It's a bad day. The answer to either greeting is invariably Ta, it is. Nobody ever disagrees.
Jimmer tatu Fiona, to me come on. Jimmer tatu hen. Come on, good my good. Tala Brian.
Jim mar tata. Come on, good my good. La brown.
Droch Leon. Droch Leon.
Ta dra lamb. It's a bad day. Ta dra lamb. Ta le bream. It's a fine day. Ta le bream.
Your turn now. You decide how to describe the weather you'll be seeing in the next few scenes. Either Tala Breon or Ta Drochla on.
Ta Drochla on.
Jimmer Tattoo Fiona.
Tá go maiid, Jimmer Tattoo hen.
Go mai good. Tá Brian.
Tá droch leon.
Jimmer tattoo. Go mai good. La brown.
Tá droch lan. Tá dro lan. Tá sé fuair. Ó tá cinnte.
Tá sé fuair.
Tá cinnte. Tá sé fuair.
And before I get too cold, did you notice how some of the people who exchanged comments on the weather added a few extra words? Tá cinche, it is surely. Tá sé fuair cinche, it's cold surely. Have another look.
Tá sé fuair.
Tá cinnte. Tá dro lan. Tá sé fuair. Ó tá cinnte.
Here are some more examples of those most important words when referring to the weather. Che, hot, and fuair, cold.
Tá sé fuair inniu. Tá sé fuair.
Tá Brian.
Tá sé che.
Tá cinnte.
Tá droch leon. Tá sé fuair.
Tá cinnte.
Phew, tá sé che.
Tá an jacuzzi che.
Tá droch lan, tá sé fioch.
Tá. Tá sé fioch.
Tá droch leon. Tá sé fuair agus fioch.
Tá sé che. It's warm or hot. Tá sé che. Tá sé fuair. It's cold. Tá sé fuair. Tá sé fio. It's wet. Tá sé fio.
And when the weather is fine, which isn't often enough, we usually thank God. Buíochas le dia.
Jimmer tattoo. Go mai good. Tá la brown.
Tá buíochas le dia.
Clí fiile.
Cinnte. Jimmer Tattoo Fiona.
Tá go maiid, Jimmer Tattoo hen.
Go mai good. Tá Brian.
Tá buíochas le dia.
Buíochas le dia.
Buíochas le dia. Thanks be to God. Buíochas le dia.
Oh, go mai good. Cinnte, is tú hain? Okay, slán amháin mui. Slán! Oh, gur mai good.
Tá la brown.
Tá.
Tá sé che.
Tá. Cinnte. Slán.
Slán. Hello? Hello? Was you on phone?
gur maithe go.
The word slán that you heard there means goodbye. Sean asked Deirdre for brisúd on phone, change for the phone. Deirdre keeps her change in a purse, sparan, which is also what a Scotsman wears over his kilt. Let's watch it again.
Gur maithe go.
Tá brown.
Tá.
Tá sé ché?
Tá. Cinse. Slán.
Lán. Hello? Hello? Brisúd on phone?
Á gur maithe go.
Lucky day Tuesday. Today the cavalry rides in, but be careful. It may take more than it leaves.
There were probably a few words in the programme that you didn't understand. Don't worry about these. We'll deal with them later on. Next time, we'll look at ways of introducing yourself and others. So until then, Gajishan, Slán.
In this episode of Now You're Talking, you heard Gajimmer Tatu,
Gajimmer Tashiv.
Gamai,
Gamai gur maithe go.
agus tú hain,
Tá droch lán.
tá le brean,
Tá sé ché.
tá sé fuair,
Tá sé fleoch.
buíhes le dia.